Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Sheet. And in today's video, I will show you how to export or how you can save your Google Sheet as Microsoft Excel and keep the formatting of every cell in your Google Sheet. Let's go. So the very first thing you want to do is go ahead and make sure you come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on File right here. Right, so the very first thing you want to do is go ahead and come to the top right here, click on File, then come down below right here, click on Download, then go ahead and choose Microsoft Excel right here. So click on that. And this is going to pump up right here. So you can see Microsoft Excel workbook right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and choose your download folder, then come down below right here and hit on Save. And in a few seconds, your file is going to be successfully saved, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. And once you open the file, it's going to automatically open Excel, and then all shell and formatting will keep with me. So let's go ahead and open the file in Microsoft Excel. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it straight up here. So just like so, we have it successfully open in our Microsoft Excel right here. We can go ahead and click on enable editing right here. And we have everything right here. And it's that simple. For more useful tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.